Ropax 12, we have in Spain approx 45 million inhabitants. Well, that's wrong. Now is around its 48.5, which most of them are Latin and Morocco immigrants. This figure now is going to grow, as I put and close this article from yesterday's our Prime Minister, because he realizes at last that someone needs to pay the pension of all these 4.9 million people not working and getting paid for not work. So who's going to pay this system? Well, that's going to be the immigrants. So we need about 4 or 5 million to pay the pensions of all of them, plus the 5 million government workers that are doing nothing. So what's going to happen today in Spain, that the fleets that you have, dear ship owner, Ropax fleets around Spain, around Europe, we can really find the crew available today that come from Honduras, Panama, Venezuela, Peru, Argentina. Why? Because Spain is the ideal, perfect place to live, and we have huge amount influx of immigrants now, and according this new government decree, these figures are going to grow. So is there any need to bring Asian crew to Spain? Is there any need to go towards another flag? If we have the Spanish flag that has 90% grant social security employer contribution from 27% towards 2.7%, including sanitary assistant, pension, unemployment, the whole lot for the family cover, which is the best system in the planet, the Spanish social security. Even Americans are retiring here, yes. So the population in Spain is going to grow, therefore it's going to be really goodwill, investment, the value of your brand is going to grow, and of course, having local ESG, corporate social responsibility, and transparent crew is going to limit the travel. Then perhaps the budget of your shipping travel is going to be cut for 80% by having local crew, because they are living here. Yes, all of them are going to travel to Spain and live around here. So contact us, because we have this huge database, Ropax 12 also. If the ship has, let's say, 40 crew, we can use the Spanish flag. If we go from 40 towards 90, it's very complicated, because as you know, in Spain, bureaucracy is huge. So you need really a special company for these Spanish flag labor agreements and contracts and compliance of equality and of disabled people and all this huge amount of law, data protection. But at the end, it is really compliance 100%. So it is really an area of interest for your company to compete in the long term if you contact us now, because 2025 there is only going to be competitive advantage, which is to have local crew. Thank you. Bye.